Good morning, everybody. This is now day 2 of the island tour, and we're going to creep our way closer to Vancouver Island. Today we're going to be heading over to New Denver, taking the Highway 31A, which is supposed to be a real treat. I can't wait to do that. And then after that we're heading to Nakusp, Vernon, through Kamloops and up to Cache Creek. So far the weather today looks like it's holding. I managed to escape without too much rain yesterday, which is good. I guess we'll see what the day brings. This is the Kaslo Motel. I highly recommend this. This is actually a great little place. There's lots of cabins and stuff. Wonderful. All right, let's hit the road. Highway 31A from Kaslo to New Denver is a lot of fun. Lots of twists and turns, good scenery. It's a great motorcycle road. Some patches of it are a little bit rough, but definitely worth the ride. It was a lot of fun. During World War II, 22,000 Canadians of Japanese descent were removed from the west coast of Canada, had all their possessions seized and auctioned off, and they were interred in the Slocan Valley. They were guilty of nothing. They endured harsh winters in tar paper shacks and were forced to work on road crews or farms. This center is a memorial to the wrongs committed against them and to their resilience in the face of prejudice and ignorance.
Crap, might be time for the rain suit. Alright, I made it into Grand Cache today, and I am staying at the lovely Sunset Motel. The rooms are small, but they're clean and they're cozy, so it's all good. From here we're going to go to Lillooet and down the Duffy Lake Road to Vancouver and over to the island tomorrow. Finally getting to the island on the island tour. Thanks for watching.